LIGNA 2019, welcome to the Felder Group. Innovation requires courage, and the Felder Group never has been lacking in courage to innovate. The world novelty Pccs, a revolutionary safety technology for sliding table saws. Non-destructive accident prevention at the speed of light. Furthermore, you will see how we are revolutionizing edge-bending technology with the glueBox, leaving no stone unturned. With lightPos and F4 Vision, we introduce virtual assistants for CNC machines for the first time. Join me on a journey into the future of woodworking at the Felder Group. Ingeniously simple, simply ingenious. With the world novelty glueBox, Felder is revolutionizing edge-bending technology. From now on, the PUR processing is as easier, cleaner and more effortless than never before. No glue pot, no cleaning effort, ready for use in just 90 seconds. Just insert a PUR roll and you are ready to go. With glueBox, granulate and cartridge processing are a thing of the past. PUR processing has never been so easy and so much more favorable. Exclusively for tempora models, edge control. 1/100th of a millimeter accurate, measurement of edge and workpiece thickness, transfer to the machine via Bluetooth. No typos, no measurement errors, zero tolerance. The air cushion table with integrated blower enables easy and careful handling of large size and surface sensitive workpieces. Compact class update. All models of the G300 series are now equipped with changeable glue pots. This means that you can switch between EVA and PUR glues or glue colors in just a few seconds. Profit H150, designed for the high demands of professional woodworking. The new nesting CNC machine center, Profit H150, with 5-axis molder spindle, integrated vacuum management smart zoning for optimum hold of all workpiece sizes, traveling tool changer plus pickup space for a total of 36 tools, yield optimized process reliability, maximum throughput with loading and unloading solutions, and automatic labeling ensure maximum productivity. F4 Vision, the new dimension in machine operation. Augmented reality is the technology of the future for smart machine operation and interactive service support. With the help of augmented reality glasses, virtual elements such as panel support, vacuum cups and workpieces are integrated into the real environment. As a result, the user sees his actual environment in front of him, which is augmented visually with information and graphics. This enables exact workpiece placement without expensive sealing lasers or other optional equipment. Information such as current speed, axe load, condition of vacuum pumps, emergency stop and compressed air can be checked within the field of view at any time. lightPos, the LED vacuum pot positioning, revolutionary, simple and precise. LEDs show the required vacuum position by the millimeter and constantly inform about the machine status. Profile 92, operating comfort and flexibility of highest perfection. The new spindle molder Profile 92 Emotion with double pivot and HSK63 tool quick change system. 92 degrees tilting range for unlimited machining variety. Electro spindle with variable speed up to 18,000 revolutions per minute. Table opening with electrically controlled eccentric insert rings. Swing away fence stop with 2 controlled axes. Swivel mounted 15-inch smart touch control panel for intuitive control of height, angle, fence stop, table opening and power feeder. The memory for tools, spindles and mortising programs enable perfect repeatability and shortest setup times. Pccs Preventive Contact System, the revolutionary world debut for sliding table panel saw safety devices. There are 10 good reasons not to make any trade-offs in work safety. Pccs prevents accidents and guarantees dexterity and handshake quality forever. The early detection system recognizes any approach from all sides and countersinks the saw blade at the speed of light. Pccs is the first and only system on the market that remains fully intact after being triggered. Return to service at the push of a button. Innovation requires courage. There is much more to tell and show, but that would go beyond the scope of this post. You can find information on the web or in one of our numerous showrooms. We, the Felder Group, thank our customers for the many suggestions and for their feedback. This motivates and gives us the courage for new innovations. See you soon. Goodbye.